Bitcoin may attempt a bull run just below its all-time high of $20,000, according to PlanB. The mysterious analyst, known for creating the so-called stock-to-flow model, on Wednesday said that Bitcoin's 95% correlation with the S&P 500 amounted to a rally towards $18,000. Meanwhile, he predicted a similar outcome for the U.S. benchmark index, stating that it could go to as high as $4,300. The statement appeared at a time when Bitcoin is trading almost 50% below the PlanB's prediction. The cryptocurrency repeatedly attempted to close above $10,000 to $10,500 as a part of its recovery rally from March 2020 lows below $4,000. But it failed to attract adequate buying sentiment in the said top range. The short-term setbacks, nevertheless, have not deterred PlanB from making aggressively bullish predictions for Bitcoin. The pseudonymous Dutchman uses his benchmark stock-to-flow model, a price forecasting tool that values Bitcoin based on its growing scarcity with time. The S2F model expects Bitcoin to hit a $288,000 valuation by 2024. PlanB applied the same tool to track Bitcoin's correlation with the S&P 500, noting that both the markets are running higher owing to favorable macroeconomic conditions. The analyst forecasted growth in demand for Bitcoin as the global central banks implement their unprecedented quantitative easing policies. In retrospect, the Federal Reserve, the European Central Bank, the Bank of Japan, and others have launched stimulus programs worth tens of trillions of dollars to aid their economies through the COVID pandemic. Meanwhile, the stock and Bitcoin markets are acting as a reservoir that absorbs the new money. The money expects later to overflow into the goods and services sector, where it causes inflation. Informed investors, therefore, are preferring to keep part of their stimulus checks in hedging assets. PlanB cited the Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto to explain his bullish calls. It read, "Money printing QE pumps both S&P and BTC," PlanB added. Bitcoin was trading at $9,500 at the time of this writing.